everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Corey, where it's been kicking my butt. Sorry I haven't been consistent with the videos in the past couple, 3 weeks. Here's what it is. We'll try to get better. Hopefully everything turns around here before long. Anyway, we're going to do a chicken caprese sandwich today. We're going to do that on the Blackstone. Let's get her fired up. Let's get her done. It's going to be delicious. All right, first things first, we got to make a balsamic reduction, and that's just balsamic vinegar, which is what we got right here. And we're going to pour, what is this? This is 8. We're going to do about probably half. We're going to get her in there. I didn't know this had the little hole on the top. So what we're going to do, we're going to get that in there. Half of this bottle. I'm going to keep doing this, so I'll bring it back when I get it there. Okay, really close. Just about. I can kind of see through the bottle. That's probably half for our sandwich, and I'm going to make a little tomato caprese salad on the side for Jen later. That's it. So that's going to be our start. Medium low heat, and let this simmer. So I'm just going to pull her down here. If you're doing this in the house, make sure you got your fans on. It's going to make you cough. I'll tell you what, it will make you cough like there's no other. So make sure you're well ventilated when doing this. Anyway, we're going to reduce this down to a syrupy consistency. Just reducing some balsamic vinegar. Put on there about 15 minutes. Getting close. We'll start the chicken next. Alright, as you can see, our balsamic vinegar is there. It's probably reduced by just about 75%, and that's where you want it. Looking good. So we'll actually going to put this over the side to cool. It will thicken when it cools more, and we'll get started on that chicken next. Alright, time to get our chicken going. Obviously we're going to need a little oil down on our Blackstone skillet or whatever you're using. Butterflied. I butterflied one of those breasts, and we'll just put them down there like that. And obviously we need some seasoning, so we will hit that with some salt and pepper. Decent amount. Don't get too crazy. It is chicken. Alright. Let it rip for a bit. Alright, our chicken is going. And I did screw up. I forgot to season the other side before I put it down. I made a mistake, people. It happens. Boom. So, we need to season this side, obviously. So we'll do that. Got some good looking colors starting on him. In there. What I want to take right now is we'll put a little oil down, get our bread started over here. So we'll get our oil down, get that going around, and we'll hit it just with a little bit of salt and pepper. One slice of our bread and our other slice of the bread, just to get that going. And while I got you here, let's get the mozzarella on there. So let's do one. Yeah, that's bigger. 2, 3, 4 slices of fresh mozzarella on there. I know you can't see them, so bring them in there a little closer. We'll get that started. Chicken's going. Season on both sides finally. Bread's on of your choice. Alright, let's let it cook. We'll be back. Alright, everybody, we're back. We're just about done. The mozzarella is just about melted. Our chicken is done over here. He's done. He's ready to go. Look at him. Good looking chicken right there. Alright. One other thing I want to do, just because I want to, so I think it will bring some more flavor out. Put a little bit of oil. We're going to add our garden fresh tomatoes. We're going to do 4 slices of them. It's really quick on here. We're going to give them a heavy dose of salt. When I say quick, I mean quick, because I just want to get those juices flowing in. Like so. Get them away from here. Now we'll take our top over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, looking good. We're gonna bottom it over here. Put our chicken on there. Alright, now we're gonna go over and finish plating this bad boy chicken caprese. Sammy! We'll be back. Alright, my culinarians. Got our sandwich here. We got our delicious chicken. I decided we're gonna take him off. We're gonna give him a little bit of our balsamic glaze here, and I wanted to show you this quick. This is how she's looking delicious. So let's just give it a little bit right there. That's because we can. Why not? That's a little flavor that other side. Put our chicken back on, and then we got our fresh basil straight out of the garden. It will go all over on the top of our chicken breast. Yay. Alright. It's looking good. And back into the show will be our balsamic glaze, which, you know, there's some work on that. Turned out pretty darn good, so we'll lay some of that on there, like so. And we'll lay a little bit over on our tomatoes. Make sure we get it on everything there. Looks freaking delicious. Alright, let's pop our lid on. Push it down a little bit. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Alright, push it back a little bit. You guys ready to cut into it? I think I am. I mean, I know I am. So let's cut into it and see what we got here. And what we have is pure chicken caprese sandwich deliciousness there. Look at all the layers of flavor in that. Look at how juicy that chicken is. Wowzer. Alright. I'd like to thank you for watching Cook with Corey. I appreciate it. I know I was off a couple weeks. I'm going to try my best. I'm working hard right now at work, so keep videos coming. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we will see you next week, folks.